Hi everybody, welcome back from GetNGS. Today I want to talk about Dynamic Block. Dynamic Block is really amazing and you should try to use it because it is very useful and it can save your time. You need to spend your time while you creating the Dynamic Block. After that, you just straightly use it for all projects. Let me show you how Dynamic Block is useful because this is the first day of the Dynamic Block. Okay, let's go to other drawing. I will go to here. If you want to use the dynamic block, you need to take two palette. You can take it by pressing Ctrl 3 from keyboard. You can see the ready-made dynamic block in this two palette because AutoCAD already have the ready-made dynamic block. In this palette, you can see so many depths. Some blocks are for civil, electrical, mechanical, architecture, and etc. Let me show you how to use it. As an example, I will put a door in this place. So I go to Archi. Then click on the door. I will choose the interior because my drawing is interior drawing. If your drawing is matrix, you can go down and you will see matrix sample. Now I will click here, door interior. Then I will put it here. If you want to make it smaller, you can click here and you can adjust the size. You click on the down arrow, then you will see so many options. I will choose 45. Then I will choose 90. Okay. I will put a window here. Go to Archi, then click on Window Interior. I will click here. Then I can adjust the size. Zoom in a little bit. Select the window. If you want to spread the side of the door, you can click here and adjust the size. You can flip also. You can make the window bigger. I want to put a tree here. Click on Tree Interior. I will put it here. Then you can choose various types of plants. Then click on down arrow. We'll put a drawing title here. For drawing title, you need to go to Annotation. Then click on Drawing Title Interior. Then click on the screen. I will type something here. Okay, now you know already how to use the dynamic block. Okay, let's start our tutorial how to create a dynamic block. I will explore all these parts. X and down. Select the object. All are exploded. I will delete the unnecessary block. They all are checked already. Then click on Patch Check Item. In last week tutorial, I already showed you how to patch the unnecessary block. So I will do it faster. First of all, I will create a block. To create a dynamic block, you can type V enter from keyboard. Otherwise, you can click here. This block creation is same with normal block creation. So I will simply type the block name. It is in back. Select the big one. Select object. I will choose delete. I will click on Open in Block Editor. Then click OK. Now we can start block editing. Now I don't need two palettes, so I will close it. To create the dynamic block, we need to use the Auto-Render palette. This one is called Auto-Render palette. If you don't see this one, you need to click here. Hide or unhide, you can click here. In this Auto-Render palette, you can see 4 number of depths. The first one, parameter and action. In this tutorial, I will use this 2 number of depth, parameter and action. This parameter set is same with this two. Later, I will show you constraint how to use it. Firstly, I will create the visibility. Before we start working on this, to create the dynamic block, we need to take note two things. The first thing is parameter and the second thing is action. Firstly, you need to assign parameter. After that, you need to do action. Without action, you cannot create the dynamic block. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I want to create the visibility. So I click on the parameter. Then you just go down and you will see the visibility here. Click on it. As you share, you need to read the command box. You see specifying parameter location. Okay, I will put it here. After specifying visibility parameter location, you can see this visibility becomes added. Now we need to create the visibility state. So click on it. Now I will create phone number of visibility because there are phone number or likes. So click on new. I will type simply just one. You can see there are three options. I want to recommend you to choose this one or this one. If you choose this one, you cannot see existing object in new state. Now I will choose the last one. Then click on OK. Then I will create empty phone number. I will delete this one. I will click on number 1 and set current. OK. In this visibility, you can see this three number. This is made invisible. This is visible. Then this is the visibility mode. Now I will choose the invisible because I want to make them invisible. These three number. Press enter. Okay, this one finished ready. Now I will click on state 2. Click on invisible. I will make these three number invisible because this is the state 2. State 2 only visible. Press enter. Then state 3. Now I assign already visibility state for all that. I want to advise you to use the text block before you go out from the block editor. Because if your dynamic blocks are not working very well, you can edit again. So this one is easy for you. So click on text block. Click on the object. Then you will see this down arrow. Then click on it. Okay, now you can see all the options. Click on do. All are working very well. So I will close on text block. Now I finished already visibility, but I want to create one more thing, that is stretch. To create the stretch, I will choose state 1. Then I will click on visibility mode because I want to see all light. I'm gonna move all these light in one place. So I'm under. Firstly, I will click on visibility mode. Okay, now I can see clearly already. I will assign the parameter. Go to parameter. I need to choose the linear because there is no stretch in this parameter tab. So click on linear. Show the first point and second point. When you assign a parameter, your first point or second point is no matter. First point, second point. Otherwise, you can start from here also. First point, second point. That is not the matter. Then you need to make action. Go to action, then click on stretch. As usual, you need to read the command line. Select parameter. Parameter is this one, right? So click on parameter, then specify parameter point. I will click here because I want to stretch from this side. Then you see the command line, specify first corner. Okay, click and click. Then you see command box, select object. I need to select the object by using Windows selection. Press enter. Now I finished already. I will go and check by clicking text block. Select the object, then you will see the arrow symbol. You touch the arrow, you can stretch as you wish. Now this one okay. So close. Now I will create the stretch for the balanced 3 number of light backs. So click on number 2. Then go to parameter. If you think this one too close, select the parameter and then go to action. Click on stretch. Select the parameter, specifying parameter point. Okay, now I will test them. Okay, alright. I will close it. I will close the block editor, then click on save. I will insert the block in this place. So click on insert, then I will click on resume block. First, I want to see their blog daily. Click on Current. This is the edition pack that I created a few minutes ago. Click on it. Okay, done already. That's all for today's lesson and I hope you will enjoy it. If you want to receive the tutorial regularly, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and see you next week. Bye bye. I download the lighting design from Pinterest from this account. This account is not my one.